First video is going to show you how to look up a profit and loss report and the information that you can access within that report. Now the first thing that you do is you go to transactions and scroll down to profit and loss report. Here this is where you can pick your begin and end date along with what program. So we'll go ahead and select Beautify and we will click display. Alright. Now this report will show you the income and cost information for all the customers. It divides this information by the cycle the customer made it to. Now the top of the report has two charts here. The first chart is profitability. This will show the cost of acquiring the customer in pink and the income from those customers in blue. The second chart here is the cycle income. This shows the income of the customers in each cycle. Now shown below the chart is the number and how they break out. The first thing we see here is pay cycle. This is the cycle of the transaction. Now we have different transaction cycles within orange. The first transaction cycle is going to be that initial transaction. The second one will be 14 days later. The third one will be 30 days later after the initial, and so forth. Now the customer start cycle, this is the count of customers that have a transaction within this cycle. The remaining billable customers, this is going to be the count of customers that have not moved on from this cycle for some reason but should have. Now the overall loss per cycle, this percent of customers that were canceled or suspended in this cycle versus the starting count of the customers. Now the overall loss over time column here, this is a running total of the percent of customers that were canceled or suspended in this cycle versus the starting count of the customers. Percent loss in cycle. This is the percent of customers that were canceled or suspended in this cycle versus the customers that started out in this cycle. The total canceled per cycle. This is the number of customers that were canceled or suspended in this cycle. We see here the total canceled over time. This is the number of customers that were canceled or suspended as a running total. As we move on here, we see suspended customers. This is the number of customers that were suspended in this cycle. Canceled by CSR, this is the number of customers that were canceled by CSRs. Canceled non-payment. This is going to be the amount of customers that were canceled, obviously for non-payment. Cost, this is going to be the cost of these customers, the total. So this is going to be acquisition costs along with shipping cost. Cycle income. This is the total income from customers in this cycle. And accumulated income is going to be a running total of income from this customers, and then you have the net income. Profit from these customers. It shows the cycle where you break even. Now the profit and loss report can be grouped by additional things. If you look up here, it can be grouped by state, bank bin, group by acquisition center, group by affiliate code, group by affiliate subcode, group by sales page, group by billing, plan group, and group by country. And we will look into those at a later video.